Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing how to create a social media strategy from scratch. Whether you're a business, a blogger or just looking to increase your personal brand, this video will guide you through the process of creating a winning strategy for your social media presence. Step 1. Define your goals. Before you start creating a strategy, you need to determine what you want to achieve through your social media presence. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or engage with your audience? Once you know what you want to achieve, you can create a plan that is tailored to your specific goals. Step 2. Know your audience. It's essential to understand who you're trying to reach through your social media channels. Consider factors such as age, location, interests, and buying habits. Once you know your audience, you can tailor your content and approach to fit their interests and preferences. Knowing your audience is crucial in order to tailor your message effectively and make sure it resonates with them. Here are some steps to help you understand your audience. Determine their demographics. Know the age, gender, location, education level, and occupation of your target audience. This information can give you insights into their interests and priorities. Analyze their behaviors and motivations. What motivates your audience to take action? What are their habits and behaviors? This information can help you craft a message that appeals to their emotions and drives them to act. Identify their pain points. What problems or challenges does your audience face? Understanding their pain points can help you position your product or service as a solution to their needs. Look at their online presence. Check out social media, forums, and online communities to see what your audience is talking about and what they are interested in. This can give you insights into their opinions, preferences, and values. Conduct surveys and focus groups. Reach out to a sample of your target audience and ask them questions about their needs, preferences, and behavior. This direct feedback can provide valuable insights into your audience's attitudes and opinions. By taking these steps, you can get a better understanding of your audience and tailor your message to effectively reach and engage them. Step 3. Choose the right platforms. With so many social media platforms to choose from, it's important to select the ones that are most relevant to your target audience and goals. For example, if you're a B2B company, LinkedIn may be a better platform for you than Instagram. Consider which platforms will give you the best results for your business. Step 4. Develop a content plan. Now that you know your goals, audience and platforms, it's time to start creating a content plan. Decide what types of content you'll be posting, such as images, videos, or blog posts. Then, create a content calendar to keep track of your posts and ensure a consistent presence. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Engagement is a critical aspect of any social media strategy. Encourage your followers to engage with your content by asking questions, responding to comments, and sharing user-generated content. Building relationships with your audience will help you create a loyal following and increase brand awareness. Step 6. Measure your success. Finally, it's essential to measure the success of your social media strategy. Track your progress against your goals, and use analytics tools to see what's working and what's not. This information will help you refine your strategy and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, creating a social media strategy is an essential step in building a strong online presence. By following these 6 steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a strategy that drives results and engages your audience. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.